Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to share your Steam game library with friends and family. So guys, in order for this to work, the person that you want to share the game with have to log in into your Steam, into your PC. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Steam on the top left, and from here just simply go to settings. Now guys, just simply go ahead and go to security, and after that make sure to click on manage Steam Guard and make sure the Steam Guard are turned on. And now once you have ensured that, just simply go to the Steam again over here at the top left and go to settings, and just simply go ahead and go to the family. And now from here, guys, just make sure to turn this on. So guys, from here, make sure to turn on the access of the person. But guys, if you don't see your account, you can just simply click on family library sharing and click on manage. And from here, you should be able to see all of the list of the accounts that use your game library. And from here, you should be able to remove them if you like. And guys, remember that you cannot play the game at the same time. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.